Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil Zafri bin Azhari. I'm from group 1 S2T9. In this video, our group gonna share some tips and tricks in order to solving limits question. Okay, first of all, what is limits? Limits describe how a function behaves as the independent variables x approaches a given value. Is written as down below. Limit f(x) as x approaches a is equal to L. Have you ever encountered this type of limits question and it's giving you a hard time to solve it? It's okay, we got you. Introducing fancy technique. Fancy as pronounced as fancy. It will be much easier for students to remember. The acronym of fancy stands for factorize and cancelling, multiply by the conjugate, and common denominator.
Factorize and cancelling. Okay, so if you ever encountered this type of limit question, when you substitute the x, it will lead you to math error. So what you're gonna need to do is factorize the numerator first. After that, you can just cancel the same denominator and numerator. Finally, you should substitute the x and you are done.
The next method is multiply by the conjugate. Here we have limit s approaching to 9, x minus 9 over set x minus 3. Now, if you encounter this kind of limits questions, by substituting the x, you will get the intermediate answer, which is 0 over 0. So, in order to solve this question, you need to multiply the limits by its conjugate. For example, we're gonna multiply the limits with its denominator, which is set x plus 3 over set x plus 3. Then, you have to multiply and simplify it like usual. After that, you must cancel out the same denominator and numerator, which is in this question is x minus 9 will cancel out with its denominator x minus 9. Then you will left with the simpler form of limits. The last step is just substitute the x and you will get the answer, which is 6.
Common denominator. In order to solve complex fraction in limits question, you need multiply it by its lowest common denominator, which is x and 4. When multiplying the common denominator, make sure only multiply the numerator to leave the same denominator and numerator to be cancelled out. After that, you simplify, substitute the x and you will get answer.
So, how was it? We hope that our method do help in making you understand on how to solve limits question better. We also have prepared some questions for you to try using the fancy techniques. Leave the answer on the comment section. That's all from us. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and share these videos to your friend. Bye!